Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the 6 of indoor cameras, surveillance or the security camera. I got 4 of them from EZVIZ, and I forgot the other 2. So let's go ahead and unbox this. By the way, my son purchased the PS5 from Kohl's. So I guess they oversold the system. So somehow he didn't get it. But good thing about it is that Kohl's give him the $180 cold cash. So I just spent on this. So I end up paying shipping fees. I think it's about $8 something, less than $9. And I guess you cannot go wrong. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and then show you guys the products. What? It's only 2 in here. I was like, how could 6 of them fit in here? So alright, so this is what it shows right here. You got the SKU number, UPC, and then the description. And it's only 2. Each of them is $29.99. Original retail price on this was like $49.99. Nice. So this one is full HD. It's Internet PT camera by EZVIZ. And this one is the C6CN. So I like this one because it's same as the one that I have with the D-Link. It allows you to tilt up and down and then rotate. I think it's about 330 degrees in angle. So you need to download the EZVIZ app from App Store or Google Play Store. And this is made in China. So allow you to pan, tilt. This one has a smart motion tracking with the AI and private mode. And this one only allow you to connect to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi only. So if you have a 5 gigahertz, it's not going to allow you to connect to the fastest one. And this one has a night vision up to 33 feet or 10 meter. Two-way talk. And this one allow you to have a micro SD slot, so you can store your video up to 128 gigabyte, so you don't need to depend on the cloud service. And this one has an intelligent linkage with the alarm system via EZVIZ app. Here's a top view. Let's go ahead and open this up. just tear out this. So this is the sleeve. And right here is a specification. Oh, so this is good. Allow you to have a 720p or 1080p. So in case your internet is slower, you can set it to 720p so it doesn't take that much bandwidth. So there you go. This is the gadget right here. And this one has a pretty good review. It's like 5 star out of 5 stars. Got the EZVIZ right here. There's a LED right here. And I believe those are the night vision. There's a speaker grill right here. And then you got the RJ45 networking adapter right there. Your micro USB charging or power cable right there. I'm not sure if this is another speaker or microphone. I wonder where you insert the memory card. Let's check. Here's a quick start guide. And if you got any question, you could call this number or send them like an email. And then the thank you card. So this is the mounting plate. You got the 3 holes for the screws. And then a power adapter. AC to USB Type A. Then the mounting plate. Here's your plastic anchor and then 3 of the Phillips screws. And then you got the long micro USB charging cable. Trying to figure out where you insert the memory card. So you need to download the app. After that, you're gonna scan the QR code on the bottom of the security camera to set it up. Oh, it says micro SD card slot. It's right there. Let's see. And then there's also a reset button. So the memory card does not come with it, so you need to purchase separately. Oh, right there. There's a cover right here you need to pop open. There you go. So just reveal the slot, memory card slot right there. And then there's your reset button right here. Oh yeah, I forgot a step about the most people gonna ask is how to insert this memory card in there. So I need to open this plastic cover. Be sure you face the goal toward the top and then just insert in like that. And then that's it. Somehow it's not spring loaded, so I'm not sure how you're gonna take it out later. Alright. Cool. Yeah, so this one is kind of hidden, so which is good. Normally my other ones in the back. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.